A medium can be anything, right? It can be air for sound and water for ripples. And now a prism is a transparent medium that is separated from the surrounding medium through two or more than two plane surfaces that are inclined at a certain angle, generally like an equilateral triangle, so that the light that is inclined from one plane surfaces emerges on the other plane surface. So, to understand the behavior of light when it is incident on one plane surface and passes into the prism, we need to define certain terms that are associated with the prism. Consider a triangular glass prism. A triangular glass prism consists of two triangular bases and three rectangular plane lateral surfaces. These lateral surfaces are inclined to each other. Assume that triangle PQR is the outline of the prism which is resting on its triangular base. Let us assume that a light ray is incident to the surface PQ at M. Draw a perpendicular to the surface at M which becomes the normal to that surface. Now, the angle that is formed between this normal and the incident ray is called the angle of incidence. The light ray gets refracted at M and travels through the prism and meets the other surface at point N. Now, the light ray that is emerging out from this plane surface is called the emergent ray. So, draw a perpendicular to this point N2 on the surface PR, and the angle that is formed between this normal and the emergent ray is called the angle of emergence. So, the angle between the surfaces PR and PQ is called the angle of the prism or the refracting of the prism, and the angle between the emergent ray and the incident ray is called the angle of deviation. So, what have we learned today? We have learnt about prism and how a light ray travels through a prism. Until next time, happy learning!